If we were playing golf, this would be what's considered a Twilight round. We're out with MBH, who is on YouTube as Gravel Lodge Adventures. So he's putting something quite exciting together. So yeah, that'll be good news if it all comes together as planned. Oh yeah. Okay. Ornamental drive. Oh dear. Wow. Oh, and look at that. And a buzzard or something. An owl. Catching the two strong men after her long day at work. Did you see that? That was huge. I've not been down there before. Did either of you see that? Yes. That was huge. Yeah, and an owl. It was an owl, was it? I think it's a pterodactyl. You think it's a pterodactyl? Amazing! Look at this path! Whee! And the boys overtake me well. There you go. There's one, there's the other. I can't have a senior moment today and forget their names because they're both Mikes. I'm not usually one for doing efforts and things like that, but tonight I'm on one a bit. I gotta shift some of this gut. Straight on here. Another flat tyre, 2 rides, 2 flat tyres. This one's a puncture, so hopefully quick fix.
Because you fills the tyre up through the hole. and then you put it back and it seals it. So you actually...
Yeah.
That's risky.
I like this. I wonder where this goes down.
Oh yeah, no, this goes down to the road that we're looking for. I was hoping to get to the next one down though. This one comes out a bit high up the road. Still going, one puncher. I hope I don't get another one because I will actually have to fix a tube if I get another one.
Come the other way through here.
Yeah.
Come round to the left.
We definitely came through here one time with the gravel gorillas, one time, and with the other group, Cycle Works, not Cycle Works, never get the name right.
The other one.
Yeah, the other one.
Oh,
the Sunday morning. I know, isn't it pretty? Especially with the sun hitting it like that. Look at that.
I hope so.
straight on or left?
Straight. Ooh, no, let's go left. I don't know is the honest truth, let's find out.
Nice little run through there.
Well done.
Pretty well. That's it, Mrs. Wheeler.
Wow, I
Random?
skinny tyres.
Yeah, that's it.
Mike, there's a random fireplace.
Yeah, I think we should put a pizza in it. Or maybe put some of Julie's special famous
What,
nuts balls.
Nutty balls.
Julie's nutty balls.
There you go. Pizza or nutty balls?
Nutty balls.
Okay.
Yeah, she wants your nutty balls, Mike.
I can only assume that once upon a time there was a building connected to this that either burnt down or fell down, and the chimney was the only thing left, so I don't think there's any plaque or anything.
Many years, though.
Oh yeah, of course, it's very old, but yeah. Oh, there's animals approaching. I can hear them crashing through the undergrowth.
Don't talk about your wife like that.
No description whatsoever, so there it is. A random fireplace.
Corner of the building, I suppose.
Yeah.
As you say.
Oh well, there we go. Right, car park's just over there, so we're nearly back. It's still light actually, but not doing bad. It's gone 9 o'clock, still light. It's not bad, is it?
I think it's been a splendid adventure.
Yeah, well, we've learned a few places we can't go, but
Other than watching Facebook and
Oh,
looking at
gotcha.
Ryan Badcock's comments.
yes.
Ryan.
I completely lost my bearings.
And a very pleasant evening as it turned out. It was looking a bit cloudy when we got here, but lovely clear sky now, and it's still warm, so that was good. Right, bike's back in the car. This is the first car we've had where they actually fit and they don't put crap all over the back of the front seats. This is a good purchase.